Hi guys, it's me again. Thanks for checking in. Today's video will teach you how to find circular references in Excel. Before we begin, please ensure to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful video content. Now let's dive into the video. Open up your Excel worksheet. Now you click on the formulas tab. Then in the formula auditing section, you click on the drop down arrow beside error checking. Now, here you can find the circular references. You click the drop down arrow beside it and it will open up a windows saying that you have circular references, and it should show exactly the cell where the circular references is located. But if you can't locate the circular reference here, just like mine, probably because of the version of your Excel file, you click on, or you locate the bottom of the Excel file page. As you can see below here, it shows ready. So if you have a circular reference, it will tell you, it will indicate it here, and it will tell which cells it appears. So that's it guys, that is how you find circular references in Excel. Hope this video helps you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more useful videos. Bye guys.